Hey everyone, today we have exciting news about the Nothing Phone 3 coming out next year. Let's check it out. The Nothing Phone 3 will be the first AI powered phone from Nothing. It will have a special software called Nothing OS 3.0. This software will make the phone super smart and easy to use. Nothing OS 3.2 is bringing a big design change. From quick setting to the lock screen, everything will look new and fresh. You can customize your lock screen with new options like widgets and shortcut. You can even change the clock style with a simple swipe. The Nothing Phone 3 will have a smart AI companion. This AI interact with you and move on the screen. It's like having a little helper in your phone. This AI will be a big part of the phone and will make it very useful and fun to use. The Nothing Phone 3 will have a special interface called Glay, which will be both software and hardware. It will also have a fourth button which might be a mute button or something similar. The phone will likely use a powerful Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 4 chipset. The Nothing Phone 3 will come in some cool colors like pink, green and black. These colors will make the phone look awesome. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. Share your thoughts in comments below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.